We would like to welcome you back, Liberty Hill High School Panthers. We've missed you. When students transition between classes, we ask that they still observe social distancing guidelines. This means staying to the right side of the hall in the direction that they are walking, both as well as going upstairs and downstairs, trying to avoid touching the handrails as much as possible. And then we also ask that they don't cluster in the middle of the hallway. Students, as you use the grand stairway in the foyer, we ask that as you go up, that you remain to the right and that you don't congregate on the middle landing or the landing at the top. This may create a few extra steps, but it will help alleviate traffic. When students go down the stairs, we ask that they also stay to the right. Students who go the wrong direction simply disrupt the flow of students going up and slow the whole process down. While this may create a few extra steps for an individual, overall it helps the flow of students down the stairs and up the stairs go smoothly. Students that eat breakfast and lunch on campus will be required to follow social distancing guidelines. To help with this, in the cafeteria, we've placed markers on the floor. Also, we've created a grab and go lunch system that will help limit physical contact. To help students limit physical contact, they'll use their smart tag to purchase their lunch. Students, once you have your breakfast or lunch, have a seat at one of the tables in the cafeteria. For social distancing, this means that any seat that has a blue X on it is not to be sat in. Please remember not to cluster in common areas like mirrors, sinks, and water dispensers. While in the restroom, also follow social distancing guidelines. Be respectful of other people's personal space and their time. Wait patiently at the sink. If you're at the sink, use warm water and soap to wash your hands and be aware that there are other people waiting on you. Remember that there are hand sanitizers all over the campus, and there's also sanitizer in each of your classrooms. As you exit the building, remember to still follow the required guidelines for social distancing. Your mask is to be worn until you exit the building. If you're riding a bus, you will be required to wear the mask on the bus. Please remain in your class until you're dismissed.